Hey there, Steve here, and today I'm thrilled to showcase this incredible Powerbank portable solar charger. In this video, I've unpacked the solar Powerbank, and trust me, it's a powerhouse. Imagine being able to charge not one, not two, but four devices simultaneously. With a versatile selection of USB ports, including USB-A, USB-C, iOS for iPhones, and a micro USB, this charger caters to all your charging needs. Now let me treat you to some close-ups of this marvel. The beauty lies in its simplicity. The cables effortlessly pull out and slide back in just as smoothly. No more tangled mess of wires. What sets this solar charger apart is its practicality. You can use the sun to charge it, or indoors you can charge it by plugging into a home outlet. It's a win-win situation. A nifty power button on the side allows you to turn it on. Press and hold and the built-in flashlight lights up your way. Long press again and it turns off. I don't know about you, but having four different outputs is a game changer for me. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or someone who just needs reliable charging on the go, this power bank is a must-have. I hope my video has given you valuable insights into the convenience of this amazing solar power bank.